Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2015 Lexus NX200T 2.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. Okay, first we're going to be hitting the starter button 2 times. So now I'm gonna have to turn this to settings. So on this right side of the steering wheel, we're gonna be working this guy and this guy. So we're turning it on to settings. Okay, so now we went to settings. Now we're gonna scroll down. Until you see scheduled maintenance. So you hit the center button. Scroll up. Hit the center button. And that's how you reset a maintenance light. So that's how you reset the maintenance light. If you don't want to miss any more of my videos, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.